from here to Europe, from here to America, is one Zahar, Huzur Taji Sharia. He moved the mission of Ala Hazrat. The Arabs learned in this zamana who is Ala Hazrat from Huzur Taji Sharia. And the people learned in this zamana who is this personality, what is his maslak. One from Huzur Sayyidi Taji Sharia, one from Huzur Muhaddis Kabir. And today, this is very important to know. Ala Hazrat is the recognition. Ala Hazrat is the recognition to Imtiaz. Ala Hazrat is the recognition. Ala Hazrat is all the Sunnis' identification. Ala Hazrat against the Wahhabis, against the Rafidis, against the Najdis, against the Mawla'is, against the Sulhis. The sign and the protection and the shield is praise Imam Ahmad Raza radiyallahu ta'ala an. You must understand that in this zamana, agar iman bachana hai.